going on today? What is going on? Spring flowers. This is not mud turn into flowers of fragrance. There is no fragrance. The filth. There's no spray of filth in the flowers to give you fragrance on the Valentine's Day. It's the roots that you need to look after. If your roots aren't nourished, you won't get this kind of a fabulous experience of flowering. No. What's going on? The engineers are all working on that aspect of work. That's a different story altogether, but you're confused into becoming all of this. It is the soil, the filth. The stronger and the smellier the filth, the more beautiful and fragrant your flowers are. Yes. Remind yourself, when you give your bouquet of flowers and these arrangements of flowers, it's not that you are making a statement of your greatest beauty of inner love and joy. It's just that what can you get from that person by giving that bouquet of flowers is the very hidden. It's a hidden agenda when you see a massive bouquet of flowers mesmerizing you. Don't be. And today we've got plastic, and that is your petrochemicals turning these plastic flowers into beautiful. Yes.